everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be showing you my home computer setup slash gaming setup slash editing setup. Okay, so I'm gonna be upgrading some of the devices in my setup, and I would like to share with you guys the products that I love and I will recommend that I have been using for years as well, and also the products that I didn't like and I will not recommend. So if you're interested, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Also, I have an Amazon storefront. You can check out the link at amazon.com/shop/eastcharmer, and this is where I have saved all of the items that I use and ordered for my desk setup that I have been using for years, that I highly recommend. If you want to check out all of the items and products that I will be showing here in this video, you can check it out in my Amazon storefront. And I also have the PC parts here from my gaming editing computer, the parts that I use to build my PC from scratch. If you want to check it out, if you want to purchase the parts and the items in here in my storefront, you can just click on the link and it will help my channel and my team to make more content. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, so to get started, what's a computer setup without a desk? So my desk is from Fezibo, and it is a standing desk in the L shape. I chose Fezibo for my desk because they are the only standing desk that is big enough for my setup that has the white color. Okay, so next is, of course, the chair. This is my chair. It is an ergonomic chair from HBADA. I can't pronounce it. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's the company name. I like this chair. It was really comfortable, but the quality is not that good. The price is reasonable for what it is, but I will not recommend you guys to buy this chair because the wheels just keeps coming off. So look at this one. So I got a missing wheel because it keeps coming off after a year, and it's really hard to put it back together again, and I'll have a missing wheel, and it's really hard to just move the chair now because I have missing wheels, and it's kind of like not sturdy anymore compared to when I first had it. So as you can see, and you probably notice that my setup is mostly white. I really like just an all white setup. Okay, moving on. So this is my keyboard. It's from Roccat. It is a mechanical keyboard with soft tactile keys, and it's RGB too. So this is a full-size keyboard. I love a full-size keyboard. A lot of mechanical keyboards are not full-size, and it's also hard to find a full-size in white, but I think there are more options now. So this came with this, not sure what it's called, this wrist thing, but that is detachable. So I just take this off because most of the time I really don't use it. I have this mat. Okay, so I said earlier in the video that I will be upgrading some of my devices, and one of that is my microphone. So I love and recommend this microphone. This is my old microphone. It's from Tonor. It's a really budget-friendly microphone that has surprisingly good quality, and it's beginner-friendly. It's not very complicated. It's not very technical because I am not an audio girl. I'm not an audio person. I really don't know that much about microphones and audio and such. I just want it to sound good in my video recordings, and this does the job. So I also have a video of full unboxing for this one and review. So this is what I've been using for years when I record my videos. And what's nice about it is that the microphone includes everything. It includes the arm, this, not sure what this is called. See, I'm not an audio person. The pop filter, and this one. So even if I love this microphone, I got this other microphone which is also that good and RGB. So I'm replacing and upgrading my microphone. This sounds almost the same. They have really like good audio quality, but this one is RGB and it would look good in my videos and streams, so I'm gonna replace this one in here. I also have a video for this if you're interested. I'll put all of the links in the description box below. Okay, so the mic, here's the mic. It's looking cool already. I'm gonna do a sound check later to just make sure that it sounds good, but it's gonna look good in my videos. Okay, so look at that. My RGB camera looks really good on the screen. And this is what the microphone sounds like. Mic test, hello, testing microphone. It's really smooth and audio quality is really good, so I recommend this product. Okay. Alright, so next is the mouse that I will not recommend. I mean, this is a good mouse. This has been a good mouse. I used it for years. This is from Logitech and it's affordable gaming mouse. But after like a year or so, it just stopped working properly. The cursor is no longer moving smoothly. I had to drag it all the way just for it to move, so I stopped using it after I had that issue and I couldn't fix it. Driver updates and such. It's such a waste because it's also an RGB white mouse which matches my setup, but then it just stopped working after a year, so I've temporarily replaced it with this Amazon Basic mouse for now. This is all I have as a spare, so I'm still looking for a good gaming mouse, maybe a wireless one because I have a lot of cables already. My speaker is a Jabra speaker, highly recommend. It's small and compact, and if you have a desk with a lot of devices, I think it's good not to have like huge speakers because that takes up space. So if you want more compact speaker, this is definitely an option. It is really loud even if it's small. This is mostly used as a conference speaker, so you can also use the microphone in here if you don't have a separate microphone. This is good for like Zoom meetings also, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. Next is my Razer webcam with ring light. I love this because it has a really good quality of the webcam. So I'm gonna show you. I use this for OBS mainly when I'm recording like screens. So as you can see in here, this is the ring light. So it comes with a ring light. You don't have to buy a separate ring light for it. And yeah, it really is good when you are streaming and recording videos. So it's really bright. And the quality of the camera is also HD. So as you can see, it's very crisp and really good quality. Also, I recommend this wireless headset. This is from Corsair, and for a wireless headset, this is actually cheap compared to most brands, and I had it for years too. It has a microphone which is also decent sounding, and I love that it's white, also black and white. It's such a good budget wireless headset. Okay, so for the gamers out there, this is just a controller that is made for Xbox but can also be used for PC. It's also compatible for PC. I'm gonna put the link in the description box if you're interested, but of course it's white. It's all white. They also have other color options and prints and not just white. This is also a good controller. I had no issues with this. This is really smooth and I use it a lot when I play PC games. My monitors are just regular 24-inch monitors from Acer, and my third monitor is from Samsung. This is a 27-inch monitor that I just can change the orientation to portrait or landscape, and I like this like vertically because this is what I use when I am streaming and I'm reading the comments or the chat. Okay, so that's gonna be my desk setup with the products that I do recommend and do not recommend. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below, and if you want to check out the products, they are in my Amazon storefront link. The link is also in the description box, and I'm gonna include all of the links in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing them. Thank you so much for watching the channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.